Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm playing Blackbird right now, and I'm using a different account because my husband was a boy. So I don't know what to say to have this account with this as a girl from now. Oh, I mean, no, it's not she. My classmate, I mean my classmate, my classmate joined. Let's just start. Okay. Because when he came to the job search, he was actually, oh hey girl, huh. Oh my fucking know that. Yeah, because, yeah, they have my house here. Randomly, I actually keep, like, making a house, then delete it, then make it again, and delete it. Like, oh my god, girl, why are you just making a house just for no reason? So the egg came, oh, it's not the egg. Oh my god, oh, here. See that? It says hi goat. Oh my god. So I think this is his house. Yes. I need another house. Your house is like an egg. I hope that it's shaped. I don't know. No. Oh, he looks so eggy. I don't know what to say. Hey guys, so it says I have another account for chat. Well, I'm recording. Ha ha ha. Yep. And this guy, because he's also a YouTuber. Am I gonna say no? Goat and egg. Because he has a YouTube channel. Someone asked, bruh, it's potato. What's your channel? Oh, what the heck? Oh, I'm gonna tell ya later. I'm trying to be rude. I'ma say it. So his YouTube channel is Marlon Ocampo. Marlon. What the heck? Marlon Ocampo. See that? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It was like Marlon Ocampo. You see that? It was we're actually Filipino, but yeah. So I don't know if how am I gonna edit this video because I don't know how to edit a video and so. Okay, so somewhere the person I don't know because bruh it's potato. It's not real. I mean I just said that. Where is it? I said to her RTM. Oh, I'm gonna tell you trying to be rude. Okay, so I think I'm wrong. Oh, aw. So she's so sweet. I mean, he's so sweet. This person is not moving anymore. Yeah, I can look at your house. Your house is broke. Yeah. Let me show it again. AFK. I mean the RP, not AFK. I'm sorry. So guys, I'm not kinda sure, but this is his YouTube channel. But you can also sub to him. Yes, I already said him, but I'm not signed in as a complete. So I'm not signed in yet, but I already subbed him. So he got a bunch of views. I mean, heh. So he actually knows me that how to manage. It doesn't even teach me that, but I never ever watched that. I watched this. Trabatin High School Rolex. What else? Almost forgot. Rolex, not watching everything. And this too I watched it, but this only half video of it. And cause I think he haven't posted like a video of the Blackbird. I hope he can and he will. So here's the although just script me out. I mean I wish so yeah. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm right because he asked me to do my branch Rolex also. I'm right that it was his YouTube channel, but I'm actually seriously right that it was his YouTube channel. Yeah, I saw it. I watched it actually. So let's go to my house. I wanna go to my house. Oh, where's your car? But actually, guys, sometimes the real owner like I don't know, ain't got enough money. So yeah, that's the value of the house was like $1. I don't know. I think. Oh, I think I'm awake. I'm awake right now. Bye. Okay, so I'll be going to work by teleporting where I mean before that. So I don't want to walk. So yeah, I don't also want to walk to my house, but I'm kind of nervous. But I don't know if I'm gonna teleport to my house or what. I can even make a decision here. Oh, this house looks nice. This is the house that I've been wondering. So Aggie or Hindi Gitmaz isn't replying. I think he is at a keyboard. Yeah, I'm away from keyboard. So here's, I don't know. I'm not gonna make a tour. Maybe just sometime when I get finished. So probably guys, sadly the bathroom is upstairs on the left side already. I get satisfied when I'm seeing it. Yeah, we'll go shower before I get past him. But actually, yeah, I'm kidding before, but now I'm not. I'm just putting it rough. Okay, so I'm kind of sick. Okay, guys, so I'm done. I'm just gonna skip it a little bit. Oh my god, the server is slow. So I can still want a lot of windows, but not a lot of it. And I get satisfied when I'm seeing like aesthetic stuff like that. I really get satisfied. And actually guys, maybe I can make a video. I mean, if I wish that I can make a video with a face cam and all the screen casomatic, but I'm not that ready yet. I already tried it a lot of times, but I don't know if I'm gonna post it because I already did the video. And then yeah, I'm still thinking that I'm right. Okay, so I already got 100 energy experience. Oh my god, open this. And yeah, I get satisfied. So let's just look if there's anything here. Then yeah, I found, oh no, complete the clue to get satisfied. Oh, you're a joy. So yeah, I don't, so I still have good stuff. I mean, I feel like care. I don't know if I care or not. But let me just see, because I'm cozy. It's not dark. I like the lightning when you don't have any light to your house. I mean, in Butchurch, in real life, like you don't have any electricity and bills to pay for the light. Then the lightning was just so freaking good. Yeah. So I'm sorry guys if this video will have like bad audio. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do any part two to it, like after the video, because it's like only 15 minutes. It limits the time. It's not limited, and it has a limit. Yeah. So I can also cook like egg. Yeah, the friend is here. So you guys will see that I can even that was the dining area. So I actually got like I don't know. I don't have any advanced placing. I only got one game pass in here, and so it's like only multiple floors. Yeah, I actually put like 6 chairs in there. Yeah, as you guys will see, there were like only 6 chairs, and I don't have a deal. I didn't even count it. It depends on the space that you will have it to be. Okay, so yeah, it looks like you only cook one with 2 bacons and 1 egg, but no, there will like it's okay. So when my friend coming here, I'm gonna look at him. I guess. Okay, guys. So if you're wondering, I'm also looking a picture like a static house. I don't know. This one doesn't even look like a static house. So I'm just wondering what if there's a monster came out this picture. And yeah. By the way, guys. So I'm just gonna say something or share to you guys. I'm actually alone in the house, and then yeah, I don't, I don't know. So if you guys understand what I'm doing here, it's like it's yeah, I don't understand. I mean, in real life, I'm actually alone in real life, not just in the game. Yeah, but by the way, I'm getting alone in the game. Like I don't have anybody to play with. But my friend, so I actually like chocolate smoothie, and the blender was up. I don't know exactly what it was. Oh, what the heck? It just put to the filter of the coffee thing. I actually got like 3 things. And maybe I'm gonna buy another blender when I work. So yeah, and this is fun. So I can even barely do this. Just only getting ready my morning food or whatever. So I'll be putting in here when I'm like starving and I get a past view. Because when you guys, so guys, this is true. When you actually got into a past view experience, I mean in Bloxburg only when you got into a past view experience, you will like can open your fridge, of course, and I think that you can even also, yeah, I'm sorry. Also getting oh, my mom is here. My mom is coming in real life. So if you're ready, okay, there we go. Oh,